Okay, is it on?
Yep.
Okay, so this is what we're doing. One?
Sure.
We should put the whole thing
We
in.
should
It
put
would
a
be
napkin
funny.
in.
Just to help clean up the mess. Okay. 10 minutes. That's all. Okay, hold on. How do we work this microwave? Hold on. Okay, ready? Can you see it?
Yeah.
Hold on. Okay. Let's eat some.
Give me one.
It's not doing anything. Oh. It's going to scare us because it like. Keep it.
You have to eat this after.
I will. It's good. Are we keeping it in for 2 minutes? It'll burn.
Good.
It'll like light on fire.
Look at how big it is.
We should put the whole package.
No.
It'd be so fun.
I just bought those seats. No.
My boat has a leak in it. Okay, is that as big as it's gonna get? Open?
No.
At 1 minute.
No.
It's not even getting bigger now. Or is it?
Yeah, now it's burning. Now it's been in for 1 minute. So gross. Look at it.
Hold on.